Hi everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain what the mixed channel mode on the Ailunce H1 is all about. To demonstrate, I'll be using both the H1 and the H2 radios. First, you can see that right now both the H1 and the HD2 are set to analog channels and they are communicating with no problem. Now, let's switch the H1's channel type to mixed channel. Go into the menu, choose Settings, then Channel Info, and then Channel Type. Here, you will see 4 options: Analog Channel, Digital Mixed Analog, and Analog Mixed Digital. So, what do these modes mean? Digital mixed analog, the radio transmits and receives in digital mode, but it can also receive analog signals on the same frequency. Analog mixed digital, the radio transmits and receives in analog mode, while still being able to receive digital signals. Let's check out digital mixed analog first. The red A shows you are on the band A. When you see D plus A, that means digital mixed analog, so you can transmit in digital, receive in digital, and also receive analog on the same frequency. Now, I will set the HD2 to digital mode. Watch this. The H1 can transmit digitally to the HD2.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And the HD2 can send digital back to the H1. Perfect.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Next, I will create an analog channel on the HD2 at the same frequency. And look at this. The H1 still receiving the analog signal just fine.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Now, let's move to analog mixed digital. Here, you will see A plus D. That means the H1 can transmit in analog, receive in analog, and also receive digital. Let's test it from the H1. I transmit in analog to the HD2. Works perfectly.
CQ.
But when I try to transmit digitally from H1, it won't go through. The H1 can only transmit in analog in this mode. However, when the HD2 transmits digitally, the H1 still receives that digital signals without any issue.
CQ. 1, 2, 3.
And that's the power of the Ailunce H1's mixed channel types. I hope this demo helps you understand the difference between digital mixed analog and analog mixed digital. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks about radios.